Content marketing is a digital marketing strategy that focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and, ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. Content marketing examples. Content marketing is not a new concept. In fact, it's been around for centuries. One of the earliest examples of content marketing is John Deere's The Furrow, a magazine that was first published in 1895. The publication was created specifically for farmers and contained information that would help them be more successful in their work. Today, there are many different types of content that can be used for content marketing, including blog posts, articles, infographics, and videos. How does content marketing fit into SEO? It's no secret that SEO and content marketing go hand in hand. After all, what's the point of creating content if it's not going to be seen by anyone? That's where SEO comes in, by helping to ensure that your content is seen by as many people as possible. But how exactly does content marketing fit into SEO? To put it simply, good content is one of the main pillars of a successful SEO strategy. That's because search engines like Google are constantly looking for new and relevant content to index and rank in their search results. When users search for a particular keyword, Google will scan the web and find the best content it can, and then rank that content accordingly. It needs to do this because if people don't see relevant content when they're looking for it, they'll leave your site and try a different one. So if you want your content to be found and ranked by Google, you need to make sure it's high quality and keyword rich. 7 benefits of content marketing. It attracts new customers. Content marketing can help you build trust and credibility with your audience. It boosts your search engine ranking, generates contacts and sales for your product or service. It builds relationships with your customers and prospects, increases brand awareness and visibility, and it can help you differentiate yourself from your competitors. How to create a content marketing strategy for SEO. If you want your content to rank in search engines, you need to create a content marketing strategy that focuses on SEO. Here's how to do it. 1. Figure out what keywords you want to rank for. 2. Create content that is optimized for those keywords. 3. Promote your content through social media and other channels. 4. Measure your results and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can create a content marketing strategy that will help improve your SEO and get more traffic to your website.